16 people were killed in a coal mine accident in Panzhao city in southern China's Guizhou province on Sunday, according to a filing by the mine's owner, Guizhou Panjiang Refined Coal Co., with the Shanghai Stock Exchange on Monday. Rescue operations at the mine are underway and the team has been dispatched to Guizhou province to guide the efforts. All coal mines in Panzhao city have suspended production for the day, according to Shanghai-based commodities consultancy MySteel. The area has a total production capacity of about 52.5 million metric tons per year of mostly coking coal, representing about 5% of China's coking coal production capacity, according to MySteel. The state-owned company, also called Panjiang Coal, has ordered safety inspections of all its mines and has taken measures to ensure safe production, the exchange filing added. The company operates 7 coal mines with a total capacity of about 17.3 million tons. The mine where the accident took place has an annual capacity of 3.1 million tons, according to MySteel. The accident follows a string of similar incidents in the country's coal mines, including a collapse of an open-pit mine in Inner Mongolia region in February that killed 53 people. Authorities have announced measures to improve safety in the sector, including restrictions on smaller mines and plans to accelerate the use of automation underground. A guideline to improve workplace safety in mines aims to eradicate hidden loopholes that lead to accidents by shifting the focus of the country's mine safety management to prevention, Chinese authorities said earlier this week at a press conference elaborating on the newly released guidelines. The guideline is the first framework document for mine safety with the approval of the Central Committee of the Communist Party of China and the State Council since the founding of the People's Republic of China, which means they have great practical significance and far-reaching historical significance. Zhang Xin, Deputy Director of the National Mine Safety Administration, said. The guidelines come at the right time as the national mine safety situation is grim and complex. Coal mine accidents have rebounded sharply. Open-pit coal mine accidents and illegal activities such as concealing accidents have occurred frequently since the beginning of 2023, according to a discipline inspection official dispatched to the Ministry of Emergency Management. One of the highlights of the guideline is that the country will stop building new coal mines with an annual production capacity below 900,000 tons that are also at risk of coal and gas outbursts or involve complicated hydrogeological conditions. The small scale of these coal mines' production capacity will inevitably have a significant impact on safety investment and safety management of the enterprises, making it highly prone to major accidents, resulting in casualties.